Pinag-uusapan nga ngayon sa social media ang naging post ni Carla Abellana. Ito'y matapos tila paulit-ulit na singilin ng Prime Water ang kaniyang bill ng water nito sa Tagaytay. Mayroon kasing bahay doon si Carla pero tila hindi naman siya doon nakatira at tanging katiwala lamang. Kamakailan lamang ay nakatanggap ng bill or water bill mula sa Prime Water na alam naman ng marami na ito ay pagmamay-ari ng Family Villar. Sa nasabi nga pong post ni Carla Abellana, narito ang kanyang sinabi. Nirepost niya ang nasabi nga pong payment or bill na kanyang natanggap. Doon ay nakalagay, "Hi Miss Carla, may we kindly follow up regarding the status of your payment? Kindly be informed of the disconnection schedule today." Dito naman ay say ni Carla, "Okay lang po. Halos wala din naman po kayong supply ng tubig everyday. So parang ganun na din naman po. But anyway, here's the payment." Ang nasabing reminder ay disconnection dahil nga tila hindi pa sila nakakatanggap ng payment ni Carla. So kung ilang buwan to dahil may disconnection niya, pinaliwanag naman ito ng Prime Water regarding di umano sa naging post ni Carla Abellana. Narito ang say ng Prime Water. Anila, "We acknowledge the concerns raised by Ms. Carla Abellana regarding her billing and water service in Tagaytay. We value all concessionaries and strive to keep communication clear and accurate. Ms. Abellana's account remains active with a minimum consumption of 1 cubic meter, which explain the standard 194 pesos bill along with a 20 pesos meter maintenance charge in accordance with standard utility practices. All active accounts receive a minimum monthly bill regardless of usage. Our team also made an initial visit to the property and spoke with the caretaker to explain the concern and extend support. Prime Water has been conducting daily water deliveries to help ease the inconvenience of households affected by low to no water pressure areas. We understand how essential water access is to daily life. That's why we remain committed to improving the overall water system in Tagaytay while continuing to follow standard protocols and providing assistance to every accessionaire in need. Our lines are always open should further concerns arise. Thank you." Agad namang nag-react ang mga netizen mula sa Fashion Police Anonymous Commentator at ayon sa kanila kapag artista talaga o kilala ang nagreklamo ay agad-agad may mga sagot kayo. Narito ang kanilang naging say. Sa inyo about dito, syempre ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.